ดีไปไกลไงลูกไปไกลเป็นไรอยู่
ถ่ายไหม
แบบเดิมนะ
ผมมันไกลไปไหมเนี่ยถึงไหมถึงไหม
ถึงไหมอ่ะ
ไม่ต้องสวย
ไม่เห็นคนหนึ่ง
โอ้ยแสง
หนึ่งสอง
ไม่เห็นมิตรราชด้วย
ไม่เห็นการกล้องมันเก็บไม่
ใช้
หมด
กล้อง
บายบายบายบายบายบาย please บายบายโอเค just one please
Can you please share with me I want Yes share with you Yeah I want
bye bye video right congratulations and this photo
One, two.
वो दे Hello, welcome. Fine.
yes
จะกวนกูตลอด ได้บอลมันหลุดค่ะมันหลุดลงมาถึงแค่เสิร์ฟอยู่เลยหล่นจากคอหล่นจากคอ
Very good. Sir, how are you? Yeah.
แล้วแกไปของเขาอาจารย์พูดเองเลยไม่แสงเข้าตา
ตาได้เห็นความหมายเขียนแล้วนะพาดแล้วไหมพาดสมัย
เอาดีนะเอาบอกว่ามาจูบุกใครดู
เ on. Very nice dress.
and try to shape for you.
Very good. Too late. Hello, Kuntrumai. How are you?
เดี๋ยวยังไม่ได้เซ็นเลยครับ ยังไม่ได้เซ็นเลยไม่ถึงอะไร
Roji, how are you?
Oh, wow, man, never have answer.
But we are going to be infertilizer again. Denzel wants to Washington. Hi, Roger.
ไหนบอกว่า
เดียวเลยไม่ทันเลยมีแต่สูตรเด็กเดียวเลยผมเลยต้องใส่บ้าง
I'm actually finding it extremely difficult to think an office without profile. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, Kunchitri. I wish you good luck for your presentation. And so as I told you, come to India. You are stepping into wrong things. Blast is yet to come. Anji, आइए. Anji, Princy. Anji. Thank you.
1 2อีกรูปนะทุกหลบเต็มตัวนะครับ1 2
ฮะ โอ้โห ไม่เปลี่ยนแล้ว
ต้องมีตัดตัว
Hello, Kunrichira, how are you? is again a bright spot in purchase. She has done extremely well.
Don't worry. Hey, Ruchira, how are you?
ตั้งเลยครับone two three โอเค
Thank you, sir.
เล่นวิดีโอหน่อยเล่นบายบายวิดีโอหน่อยอะไรหน่อยโอเคฮะ
This is not a bad.
Now, E for
วิดีโอ this video right yeah
Good video.
yeah can action right
Action.
say hello
Kanchana ji.
say hi say hello
one two ให้หน่อยวันหนึ่งสองสามเย้
May I request all the sitting separately. So today we'll have husbands and wives sitting together. Obviously, your husband and wife have to be the combination has to be right. Don't ready, huh?
ส่วนใหญ่ไม่ค่อยเห็นที่เราลงมา
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ सहारा ले आए, मैं सांस लेता तेरी खुशबू आती है, परवाने जानते हैं यूं ही जलाते रहना आग ख्वाबों में।
The success and memories of a great boss, a brilliant mentor, and a role model to many colleagues and close friends. Mr. Raj, 4 divisions of chemical businesses here in Thailand, which then later changed into 5 divisions. Over the years, he had made many changes to the organization and for the people of the organization. Through his efforts and determination, the companies here have prospered and seen many, many good days. Over his 5 years, he has made many friends and a lot of his colleagues that have to share many good things about him. To start tonight, I would like to introduce one of his recent colleagues, Mr. Feroz, to start the night. Thank you.
All, I'd like to congratulate Mr. and Mrs. Raj for the wonderful attainment in the professional career. That all we know that where he is heading to, and to me it was very well deserved, to be very honest. And I guess it's not the end; it's just the start of the journey, because he started just 5 years back, as I know. Because I haven't had the, much of opportunity to work very sincerely for your continued success, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you all. Thank you.
Good friends and good colleague, Mr. Nadrajan.
Good evening to all. Respected Mr. Raj, Mrs. Raj, and my dear friends, colleagues. It's a wonderful day today. I have a mixed feeling. Mr. Raj is taking a big opportunity. It makes us feeling very happy. At the same time, he is leaving us with a very big challenge. Of course, he has given the torch to Mr. Ajay, and we will give our full support to Mr. Ajay to lead the path what Mr. Raj made. We will give a full support to Mr. Ajay, that's sure to you. But if you see whatever the big step Mr. Raj has taken today, it's a wonderful thing. No one in our life we cannot forget. Changing from commodity phosphate to specialty phosphates, branding the new products, changing the new product development process, manufacturing process, you name it anything, he put his name. I think your name will be always remembered by everyone. If at all, I wanted to say that your positive energy has made a big change in all our divisions. I would take it 3 secrets learning from you. One is faith. You have complete faith on you with the God within us. That made us actually is a big change, and you win everyone's heart. Today, all Thais and including ours, expert, everyone love you. It's mainly because of your faith. You never, if there is anything goes wrong, you never suspect or probes any individual. You normally goes into the system and see where we can do the improvement. Most of you do not know. When he was asking to take over the technical function, I was very much reluctant. I was having a fear. But Mr. Raj, as he insisted to me, he said, you can do it. That's the faith he had, and then I took over this technical function. I'm right now I feel more confident. I can do anything. Earlier I used to proud of myself. I can do any project. Now I can say I can manage anywhere. That's the confidence I created. It's made of faith. That's the gain, personal gain I had. The second one is self-confidence. you can see Mr. Raj, he had a self-confidence. Anything, any you want to do, he says do it. He has, he can have that kind of self-confidence. He has given the full response. He has taken the full responsibility for executing anything. We have made many changes. Sometimes we all made a success. Some of them we have made a failure also. But he never said any word to anyone. That's made us to feel proud and wants to take more challenging work. That's one of the secret I have learned. And another one is keep busy always. He never felt where he got energy, no one knows. But he keeps busy. We all knows in his whiteboard, he keep on writing it. I don't know how, where the board will remember you, sir, now. So, and also you are, constantly keep in touch with the customer and external experts. It's wonderful. See, we all can see the leadership. We know there are many types of leadership, but he has very simple leadership is be master in his ship. We believe Mr. Raj is there, we can sail it very smooth. That's a very simple leadership he has taken. I feel you have done a fantastic job, and I feel we all pleasure to work, and it is in our lifetime we have an opportunity to work with you, sir. Of course, saying it, we don't want to say bye to you, but we will always live with you. And so one of the opportunities is normally whoever leaves phosphate division from phosphate division to India, the past history shows they will come back as a big boss. That's what we have seen. Hope you will come back again, and we will work with you. We will promise you again, and we will make whatever your path you have shown, that we will flourish it, and we will show that good progress to you. Thank you very much. We will meet you. Our journey is not stopped. It's going on. We will meet you in Bombay. We will meet somewhere else. There are many opportunities. We will meet you. So I wish you all the best to you and your family. Thank you very much.